Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love handmade fashion and cozy crochet creation, today's video is just for you. In this video, we are exploring some beautiful and stylish crochet cardigan design ideas that are perfect for every season. From casual everyday wear to elegant statement pieces, crochet cardigan are a timeless fashion trend that combine comfort, creativity and style. So grab your favorite yarn, inspiration and let's discover these amazing cardigan designs together. Oversized cozy crochet cardigan. Let's start with the ever popular oversized crochet cardigan. This design features a relaxed fit, soft texture and comfortable feel. Perfect for chilly morning or cozy evenings. Oversized cardigans pair beautifully with jeans, leggings or dresses. Neutral shades like beige, cream, and grey create a modern and sophisticated look. One of the most iconic crochet designs is the granny square cardigan made from color crochet squares joined together. These cardigans bring a fun vintage-inspired charm to any outfit. You can experiment with bright rainbow color, pastel combinations, or earthy tone to create unique fashion statements. For those who love elegant fashion, the long duster cardigan is a must-have. Its flowing design adds grace and sophistication while providing lightweight coverage. This style works beautifully over casual outfit and can instantly elevate your overall look. Bohemian-inspired crochet cardigan continue to trend years after year, featuring lace pattern, fringe, and intricate stitch detail. These cardigans create a fleece, dresses, denim shorts, or wide-length pants for the perfect boho look. Chunky crochet cardigans are ideal for colder season, made with thicker yarn and texture stitches. They provide warmth while looking incredibly stylish. Cable-inspired crochet pattern and oversized sleeves make this cardigan both fashionable and functional. A belted crochet cardigan adds textures, structures, and elegance to your wardrobe.